Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today is an unboxing the CMF Phone 2 Pro. So I just got, well, a couple hours now I went to the store. It's just like when I got my Nothing Phone 3A, where you can pre-order it and it gets delivered. Maybe I think it's going to get delivered sometime next week, but if you sign up and register to them, what they do is send you an email to say, hey, you can come earlier. So which I did this morning. I went over to the store in Soho, London, to grab this one. Have you guessed which color? Also, I was actually about 10 to 12 in the queue. It was pretty long. It wasn't as long as when I did the Nothing Phone 3. And I got in there. I was the first batch to get. I think I was like the fifth or sixth, because other people. A lot of funny thing. A lot of people were there just to kind of browse. There's only there was like, if 10 people went in, only half of them actually bought something. So yeah, I got served quickly. Let's make sure I got myself the earbuds. I got the mint green. Yeah, so I'm gonna add that to my collection of loads of earbuds, freebies. All right then. So, wonder what color this is. I only got. This is my second Nothing Phone. The last one was just only literally about a month ago now, which is the Nothing Phone 3A. CMF means, I hope it means this, it's color, material and finish. I've seen a lot of this one is an 8 gig 256 model, £219. So it's actually £100 cheaper than my Nothing Phone 3A, which was 8 gig 128 as well, which was £329. Check that unboxing and a review on that, and I said that it was probably one of the best mid-range phones for that price. Let's see if this one takes the crown, because 219, I won't even call this, just the price alone, I won't even call this mid-range. I mean, I think mid-range between 300 to 400, 450, 450 to 600 kind of upper mid-range. I would say this is kind of like edging lower mid-range to maybe entry-level phone for the price, £219. And I look at some reviews, the amount of stuff they give you for that price is unbelievable. So, okay, this is the phone. I'm just gonna put that aside. Okay, in here you got the C2C cable. You got the funky SIM tray ejection tool. I like the designs. It's you can see I'm not going to take it out as a orange thing. You can zoom in, and there's a pin there. See if I can grab that, because I don't really use them because I have so many SIM ejection tools. So there, just so it's a little square block with the little pin coming down in there. User manual. I'm going to say this. I'm going to add the list. Well, I'm just copying floss really. Add this to list. Nothing. Google, Apple, Samsung, Sony, effing Sony. Where's the charger, huh? But unlike my other, unlike the Nothing Phone 3A, it only literally, that's what it came in. I'm hoping it does, just like the other review. It has a case. At least it got a case. It's a see-through one. I'll probably end up getting another case. Just use this as temporary. It's nice condom case, as Uncle Spurt would call it. It does what it needs to do. Use that temporarily until I get another one. All right then. So, have you guessed what color it is? I hope they gave me the white one, because you know the lady who served me was quite in a rush. It's the white one. I know a lot of the standout color was orange. And they even advertised other colors. What was it? There was, I can't remember. There was black, of course, and there was mint. I think mint green, something like that. The white one seemed to just been added like recently. Some of you may know I tend to buy black phones, but recently I actually saw this. I actually quite like it because I do like designs. The problem with the black one, just judging by it, was it kind of hidden. The color was too one tone. Where this one is two-tone. Oh, that's nice. It feels like, you know, when you get those kind of fake marble on your kitchen. This one's plastic, but it's got texture, so it doesn't add fingerprints. Feels good. Oh, by the way, I should have mentioned this earlier. The intro, you see the specs. Just pause and go through it. Actually, you've got 3 cameras. Well, that's design. You can get the added cases. You know, you've got these screws here. You can actually put an extra case. You got this little thing here where you can, like a hand strap if you want to do that. You can add like lenses on there, but it's not my kind of thing. So the white one, or the kind of white and grey, it actually feels, you know what? If you watch my review of the Nothing Phone 3, I did say when I picked it up, it felt like a mid-range phone. This one actually feels not flagship, but it feels a little bit above mid-range, kind of upper mid-range. It actually feels pretty good. It's, what is it, 6.77 inches. Nice and thin though, I tell you, it's actually nice and thin. One of the complaints I had with the Nothing Phone was this is the essential key. It's just too close to the power. There are plenty of times I press the essential key. Fair enough, it does activate the phone when it's on sleep, but you know, and sometimes you don't realize that, you know, so much screenshots been taken by pressing this. Hopefully they should have just moved that up here, moved it up just like literally a centimeter, maybe even half a centimeter. As far as I know, it's only got 1 speaker at the bottom. Fair enough, there's going to have to be loads of cutbacks. You know, so many concessions to be made to keep it this low price. But, and you got volume rocker here. All pretty good. USB-C. I think it's only 2.0 or something like that. Like I said, I'm not expecting too much for that price, but I'm actually pretty impressed straight away. It feels great in hand. I love the design. I actually really do like the design. It's subtle. I think I like the orange one. When I went to my YouTube a few days now, I just saw like other famous YouTubers got this orange phone. I thought it was a kind of April Fool's joke or something, you know, because it looked very kind of like a toy. I remember someone described it almost like a Temu version of it. That's why I didn't think the orange one. I just don't know. I won't like it. It reminds me of when you know how to stop your child who's 3 or 4 years old, 5 years old, playing with your phone, you buy your kid one of those toy phones so they can just mess around and break. It reminds me, it looks a bit like that. That's the reason why I didn't buy the orange one. White one is nice and subtle. Really cool. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set this up, spend some time with it, and get back to everyone in what, 24 to 48 hours, and give you my honest impression. Do some photos and video footage, see what it is, and I'll probably do a comparison with the Nothing Phone 3 as well down the line. Yeah, stay tuned for that. Give us a like, subscribe, all that cool stuff. Yeah, until next time, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are. Until next time, goodbye.